this brief guide, we will address the common issue of not receiving Discord mobile notifications. Fortunately, there are several straightforward steps you can take to resolve this issue and ensure that you receive notifications as intended. To begin, open the Discord mobile application. Next, tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner, followed by the gear icon in the top right corner. This will take you to the settings page. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Notifications and tap on it. Here, you will need to enable all the available options. Afterward, tap on Get Notifications outside of Discord, and then Notifications. Toggle on the switch next to the Allow Notifications option to ensure that notifications can be received. Take a moment to enable all the types of alerts you wish to receive, including lock screen notifications, notification center alerts, banners, sounds, and badges. By doing so, you will remain updated with all your Discord messages and activities without missing any important information.